Hi guys, so are you ready to draw with me today? So today I'm going to be drawing a cute little lion for a kid's room. So let's get started, and if you are new to my channel and haven't been here already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get a video every week. I post a video every week or a short, and also if you want me to draw something for you, let me know in the comments below. I will try my best to draw it for you. So then let's get started. This is going to be a cute little lion for a baby room. So I hope you like it. Let me know what you think in the comments, and let's get started. So there you go. This is how it looks at the end, and this is the final product. I really hope you like it, and if you do like it, don't forget to hit that like button and leave a comment for me. And if you would like to buy products with this on, check out my Redbubble shop, link in the description box below to buy products. So then if you have any comments, questions, let me know, and I put some next videos for you to check out next as well, including a playlist. And don't forget to hit on my face logo to subscribe to my channel. I bring a video every week, and if you have any requests, let me know as always. And I really hope you have a great day today, and until next time, I hope you enjoy this video and the other videos as well. So then have a great day. Bye.